Hello Bladers! Have you ever walked outside to see bird droppings on your newly washed car? These days, covers are made for just about any type of vehicle. Classic cars, mid-sized sedans, SUVs, compacts. The list goes on and on. No matter what kind of vehicle you have, it needs to be protected by a cover. Welcome to our Daily Drive. Everyday tips for everyday drivers. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Protecting your vehicle is a good idea. Many people don't realize the importance of a good, quality cover. Without a cover, your vehicle faces many dangers from day to day, so why not ensure that your investment is protected and save yourself some headache down the road? Here are the top 4 reasons why you need a vehicle cover. Number 1, the weather. The number 1 reason people purchase a cover for their vehicle is to protect it from the weather. The sun's UV rays can wreak havoc on a car. They can damage a paint job and cause rubber trim to crack, as well as cause damage to the interior. If sun protection is your concern, excessive moisture, such as rain and snow, can also damage the finish of your car. Depending on which brand or kind of cover you have, these can be highly water repellent, and good quality ones are also made with breathable material to make sure no moisture gets trapped between your car's exterior and the cover. Number 2, environmental nuisances. Have you ever celebrated that parking space in the shade only to find that bird droppings or tree sap has covered your vehicle? Or the best one yet, your sleek, black car is now greenish-yellow from pollen. Ugh. Since we can't diaper the birds, a car cover is the answer. Many of our outdoor materials are suitable for this problem. Choosing a machine-washable material, like the ones from Blade.ph, will also allow you to launder the cover to keep it looking great as well. Number 3, people. Kids. We love them. You love them. Your car's expensive paint job, not so much. Although the damage isn't deliberate, they can scratch your body and bumpers with their scooters and bikes. And why is it the friendly game of catch seems to always commence right beside your vehicle? Adults aren't perfect either. There is just something about a shiny car that makes people want to touch it. Keep those fingerprints off your baby by covering it up. Lastly, number 4, animals. Fluffy the cat might be your best friend, but he is not a friend to your car. Cats and other animals such as mice, kittens and puppies love to hang out on and inside cars. This can cause scratches as well as dirt and hair to accumulate on the vehicle. By putting a cover on your car, you can deter animals from making themselves at home there. At the very least, it will protect your paint if they do. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss anything? Comment down below so we can discuss it. Protecting your vehicle doesn't mean a great deal of time and expense. There's an easy and simple fix. A small initial investment in a good quality, great-fitting car cover can actually save you money in the long run. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.